Once upon a cosmic anomaly, three quirky astral timekeepers named Chronos, Tempori, and TicTock were having an animated debate about the nature of time itself. Chronos, the nerdy among the trio, argued that time was indeed real. Meanwhile, Tempori, unpredictable like the tide she adored, claimed it was all just an illusion our brains devised to make sense of the chaos. Finally, TicTock, who had a tendency to tick in all directions at once, didn't really have an opinion but enjoyed bouncing between the two like a celestial tennis ball. Chronos whipped out a complex diagram that looked like spaghetti decorated with colorful, swirling lines. Einstein's theory of relativity explains time dilation, my dear stargazers. He pointed to a squiggly line representing a fast-moving spaceship. Objects moving at high speeds experience time differently than their stationary counterparts. This means if you travel near the speed of light, like in this fine vessel I've drawn here, your clock will tick slower relative to those on Earth. Tempori yawned dramatically, pointing to an empty space on the diagram. You can draw all the squiggles and loops you want, but time is merely a frame we create in our minds to measure events. In space, without an earthly cycle, time is as elusive and slippery as stardust. TicTock, always enthusiastic about cosmic quirks, interjected with a twinkle in its eye. But isn't it fun how time dilates near immense celestial bodies too? Like a game of cosmic hide and seek, it stretches out near massive objects due to gravitational forces. Imagine you're near a black hole. Folks on Earth would see you moving in slow-mo while you're sipping tea in what feels like normal time. As the three debated, the stars twinkled and planets spun obliviously. In the end, the Astral Timekeepers realized that whether time was real or an elaborate cosmic prank, they had only scratched the surface of its mysteries. It didn't really matter whether it was a tangible entity or an imaginary guideline. What was truly important was how it amused and fascinated them, bringing together three diverse cosmic characters in a spirited dance of curiosity and laughter. As the night wore on, they agreed to disagree and floated aimlessly amidst the stars, free from the confines of calendars and clocks, living in the moment or what they perceived as such in eternal camaraderie.